Okay, so we're going to start modeling the body of the plane. So I'm going to start by creating the image planes. So go to Polygon Primitives, Plane. So this time we want the width to be 1, the height to be 0.75. Create the first one in the Z. Apply. Go to the X. Apply. Y. And we'll just hit create and close it up. So that gives us all three of our planes that we're going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and name these in the outliner. This is our top ref image. We'll just call it top reference plane. Our side reference plane. And front. So I'm going to do a little different adding the materials this time. So with the front selected, I'm just going to right click, go to assign new material. I'm going to choose a Lambert, and then I'm going to name this to front image. So we have and here I'll choose file, front image, and we have file, and then color, we'll choose our file here. So we're actually going to have the back of the plane as a front reference, and we can turn these on so you can see, and we'll do the same for the side. We'll right click, assign new material, choose a blend. Oh, I'm sorry, Control Z to back out of that. We want to choose a Lambert. Assign new material, Lambert. Rename this to side image. And then choose file. It keeps deselecting that for some reason. Anyway, choose our file, side reference. And then the same for the top. I'm not sure why it keeps deselecting there, but we'll assign new material, Lambert, top image, choose file, and it again. So in color, we'll just click here, and then navigate to our file in the source images folder. And this is actually going to be the bottom image for that. Okay, so there are a couple of changes we want to make to line the images up a little bit better. So the bottom image here, our top reference plane in our channel box, we want to scale it up just to 1.04 in all directions. And then we want to translate it in the Z to 0.01. And then the back image, which is our front image plane, we're just going to translate it in the Z to a negative 0.41. And just push that back. That pushes it back a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to select all of them. Hold the control key and select them, or you can drag select. Just make sure they're all selected. And then Control G to group. We're just going to call this image ref group. And then with them all selected, we'll add them to their own layer. If we choose this button, this will add the selected items to their own layer. So now they're on their own layer and we can hide them easily when we need to. Now to match the scaling of our pontoon, we need to scale the whole group up. So we're going to scale it in all directions by 14. Make sure that you're selecting the whole group here when you do this. So that will match our size for our pontoon model when we import that scene in here later. So let's go ahead and save this. I'm going to save scene as, just going to call it body V1.